So how can you import a link to your iPad? Let's get started. If you're new to the Foxtecc channel, go ahead and subscribe right now because you don't want to miss videos like this one. But basically, you might have your link on your iPhone, for example, or in your computer or PC, whatever, right? So let me just cover some of the most common situations. If you have it on your iPhone, I would just recommend you to open it up through Safari, because obviously you might be using Google Chrome or whatever. So just open the link that you want to share or import to your iPad, open it within Safari, and once you have it there, tap on the three dots and share. So from the iPhone, you can use the AirDrop and share it over the air, and Safari is going to open up the link on the iPad once it just receives it. Or you also obviously have some other options like sharing it over mail or messages, right? Like you can send yourself an email with the link, right? Plenty of options, but between iPhone and iPad, sharing it over AirDrop is, I believe, the simplest one. The next one, as I said, is adding it to some kind of email or cloud notes app, right? So if you have an Android phone, you can, for example, paste it into your email and send it to yourself, right? It will be delivered to you and it's going to show up in your mail inbox and you can click it right there. You can also do this from a Windows computer, but there is also one very interesting method, and it is a website which is called Just Pasted. And this is a very useful tool. I have used it a lot of times in the past. You can literally just type it into the search. It is called justpaste.it, and it is like a platform where you can add some text. Like obviously you're gonna paste the link right there, and then you basically have a shareable platform, right? So you are gonna publish that, so you can click on publish, and you will end up with a very short link, right? You might perhaps go through the test, right? You know, the regular one, but essentially you can end up with a very short link that is like easy to memorize. Like, you know that it is just a few words and you can just type that into any other place and it will deliver you with that information which you just published. So I hope it makes sense. It's one of the easiest methods how you can move text around the internet and around your devices. So let me know what you think about that below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.